Hello guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download GTA Vice City on Android. So GTA City is actually a game created by Rockstar Games, and it's listed on the Play Store where you can find it both on iPhone and on Android as well. So how do you install this? First of all, you have to open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, you can see the search bar below your screen. Click on it and search for GTA Vice Vice City. So once you search for it, make sure it's the Grand Theft Auto Vice City. So once you click on it, you can see it's actually in Purchase app where you get to pay money to have to download the game. So if you don't want to actually subscribe but you want to play it for free, there's another option for you, which is the Definite. Right, you can see it's the same game, just that this is the free version for it. So you get to install it. When you install the game, you are going to be charged for extra installation of some other things inside the app. Right. So this is actually how to install the game and play it from there. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching. Guys, see my next video. Bye.